Today I will be showing you the Snap tool, which is powered by Spotlight. It is very useful for correction of any kind of images for a sanity check and for creation of training data for our deep learning module. So, real quick, Spotlight powers Snap, and the way to activate Snap is to go into our manual edit toolbox. In our redesigned UI, it is located at the top. There are a couple different modes we can select: our fast accurate slider, point or box method, and then our feature scale. These were explained in the previous videos covering Spotlight, and we most likely want to use accurate. So Snap works in a way similar to Spotlight, as to where Spotlight has a grid point, and on each grid point we run the algorithm to detect features. We can manually prompt it, and it will update as we move our cursor around the image. This is what it looks like. Very good way to create training data by going in and selecting as many features you want within the layer of a training data set, or to make any corrections. After you have created a recipe that does a very good job with some small errors, you can go in and use the Snap tool to further correct this while adding a sanity check during a batch process. Our box works in a very similar way to the custom seed point box, where these seed points are really a bit more custom. We can go in and adjust the size of our window for Spotlight to find objects where we are highlighting. Now, just as a quick reminder, we can set our manual edit step as interruptible right here, which should give us the option to make any corrections as we move along a batch process, and help create training data for multiple images if we decide to go the route of deep learning.